Hi, my name is Mark Townsley. I'm from Cisco Systems.
Okay, is that your first time on PLNOG conference?
Yes.
Is this your first time? So where did you hear about this conference?
From a guy named Jan Zors.
Okay, we just met this guy.
He called me up, and if Jan says this is a good conference to go to, I'm there.
Do you like it? Or...
It seems like a great venue. It looks like you have a lot of fun, and that's very important. I think it's very important for the operational venues to facilitate sort of the social interaction and team building, etc. I've seen there's a lot of fun stuff going on in the hallways. Much of the internet stays up today through relationships, working together, kindness of strangers in many ways. So it's amazing how much, given how important the internet is to the world, how much is done through relationships. And so I think these forums play a very important part in creating those relationships. So I really like when it's a fun atmosphere, and it's the first thing I saw when I walked in the door here is like, okay, these guys are having fun. I'm at what's called a fellow at Cisco. There's 15 or 16 of us. It's an engineering position where we try to work not just on Cisco's business needs or technology or whatever, but really the industry at large. And we're looking for how to help change the industry in a forward direction that's good for the internet, ultimately good for Cisco's business. We sell a lot of equipment for how the internet continues to operate. These are a lot of our customers here. But it's really a position more focused on the long term and what's best overall for everyone, not any particular product line or any particular piece of technology. So what I just got done speaking about was IPv6, technology called MAP, and HomeNet. You can guess what HomeNet's about. So IPv6 is the new internet protocol that's coming at a very important time in our industry for two reasons. One, we've run out of IPv4 addresses. Okay, so there's 4 billion of those addresses. They're all used up. We've got to move to something new. And IPv6 has infinitely more addresses, huge number of addresses. So we won't be running out anytime soon. And it comes in an important time, not only just because we were out of the IPv4 addresses, but because the industry is crying out for new machine-to-machine communications, Internet of Everything, Internet of Things, connecting the rest of the population around the world, and we just can't make it happen with the old system. We got to move to the new one. MAP talks about how we move to IPv6 infrastructure, but we can continue to deliver the services that aren't yet IPv4 aware in a way that's very scalable and not expensive for the operators compared to some other alternatives. And HomeNet talks about how we're going to take this new IPv6 technology into the home and make the home itself much better for the average user and allow the whole network to become actually more complex in many ways because they're evolving. There's all these new different devices that are popping up to be used in your home, and we want to make it easier for the average user to be able to connect devices together and find themselves within the home rather than only being able to go to the internet. We want you to be able to have a nice home network as well. Now there seems to be, again, a mixture of a great lineup of speakers. There's a lot of familiar faces here that I've seen from other conferences as well. The interaction level seems quite good, and so you can build those relationships, have some fun, and at the same time learn a lot.